Hey guys, in this one, I want to show you how to change the name of your iPhone. Every iPhone has a name, and if you're using Bluetooth or AirDrop, you want to find your specific name. So go to the settings app, wherever that is on your phone, open that one up, and then when you get through to this screen, you can scroll down to General. It's in there, so click on that one, and that will take you through to this one. Then click on the first option you can see at the top, About. Can click on that, and it's literally the first thing right up there, iPhone. So mine is called iPhone right now, so I can click on this one, and it's really easy to change it. So I'm just going to change it to James's iPhone, just like that. I can press done, and that's it. It's literally changed. As simple as that, James's iPhone. So when people try and search for my phone, whether it's through Bluetooth or AirDrop, you've got AirPods, anything like that, it's going to come up with James's iPhone right now. Hope this quick tutorial was helpful for you. Please give the video a thumbs up if it was, and I'll see you in the next one.